Here we have the equation of x plus y to the third plus x to the third plus y to the third equal to 2. And we want to find the derivative of y with respect to x. This is x plus y to the third, and we can use binomial expansion and rewrite it like this. This is 1x to the third, 1x to the third, so we get 2x to the third. This is 1y to the third and 1y to the third, so we get 2y to the third. And then we have the rest, these. And this is the product, and this is the product. And again, we're doing derivative with respect to x. In this term, there's no y in here. It only has x, and we're doing derivative with respect to x. So just a regular derivative, it'd be 2 times 3x squared. This term here, we're doing derivative with respect to x, but the variable here is y. So we have to use the chain rule. So it'll be first do the regular derivative. So it'll be 2 times 3 times y to the second, and then times the derivative of the variable y. So it'll be dy dx. So once again, we're doing derivative with respect to x, but the variable here is y. So we have to use the chain rule. And so first do the derivative here, and then multiply by the derivative of the variable. And then this is a product, so we need to do the product. And we use the product rule right here, so it'll be first, which is 3x squared, and then times the derivative of y, and then plus y, and times the derivative of 3x squared. And again, this is the same as 1y. So this is 3x squared. And we're doing derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of 1y is just 1. And since we're doing derivative with respect to x, but the variable here is y. So we have to use the chain rule. And so first do the derivative 1y, which is 1, and then multiply by the derivative of the variable y, which is dy dx. And then here we have y. Again, this is derivative with respect to x, and this is the x variable. So we just do the regular derivative, which is 3 times 2x. Derivative of x squared is 2x. So we end up with 3x squared times dy dx, and then plus 6xy. And so the derivative for this is 6 is that. And then now we need to do derivative for the 3x plus y squared. So this would be 3x times the derivative of the y squared, and then plus y squared, and times the derivative of the 3x. And the derivative of y squared would be 2y, and then times, again, we're doing derivative with respect to x, but the variable here is y. So we have 2y and then times dy dx. And then this is y squared and then times 3. Derivative with respect to x, and here we are just have the variable x, so just do the regular derivative. So this would be 6xy and then dy dx and plus 3y squared. So the derivative for this product is this part, and then on the right side, the derivative for the constant 2 is just 0. So we get 6x squared plus 6y squared dy dx, and then the rest just the same. And again, we're solving for dy dx, so keep all the terms that have dy dx with dy dx. So this is a dy dx. And then move everything else to the right side. So to move this to the right side, we subtract 6x squared from both sides, then we get minus 6x squared. And then we keeping this one, then we keeping this term, and then the 6xy, now subtract 6xy from both sides. We get negative 6xy. And then we're keeping this term. And then the 3y squared, subtract 3y squared from both sides, and we get 3y squared. So the 6x squared, when it's moved to the right side, becomes minus 6x squared. And the 6xy, move it to the right, we get minus 6xy. And then the 3y squared, move it, and we get minus 3y squared. And then over here, on the left side, the common factor is dy dx. So we factor out the dy dx. And then equal to all of this. And now divide both sides by this right here. And so dy dx is equal to this.